Primary School is a multicultural school with a current enrolment of 431 students. While there are many projects happening at St. Peter's, science has never been a school-wide priority. Our vision was to raise awareness of science amongst staff and students. Our plan was to use scientific skills as a vehicle to promote science in our school.
We chose the skill of questioning as this could also be used to make links between science and literacy.
Well, questioning is an important stage because if you don't have questioning, you don't know how to go deeper. So if you can question, you can say, oh, I don't know that, now we can find that out.
Questioning is a very good skill, and also most of the time you use it in your everyday life.
We have been learning about questioning, and there are 3 different types of questioning. There's literal, and literal is like it's right there and there's only one answer. There's inferential, and inferential is you have to dig a little bit deeper to find the answer. And there is evaluative, which is your opinion.
Literal questions are obvious questions like, what colour is this table? Blue. So that's obvious.
The CAPS team was given 3 PLTs to run with the 5-6 team. The feedback was very positive.
The children, when I said science, were really quite intrigued as to what we were doing. And then looking at the pictures, I thought they'd struggle. First I did what you did, and I asked them to stand up and find an object anywhere in the room, anything, and then tell me, as we did, list anything that might be linked to science or maths, either of them. And they came up with really impressive lists and shared.
When learning about science, student engagement was high and the learning outcomes were positive.
I learned that science is everywhere and everything. I used to think it was all about chemicals and things like that, so yeah.
Well, we learned that science is pretty much everything, including physics and all that stuff, and we learned about scientific questions.
I thought it was mostly about, I knew it was about other things, but I thought it was mostly about, experimenting to find things right, like blowing up things.
We will continue to raise the profile of science at St. Peter's through enrolling another CAPS team for next year. We will also apply for a science partnership grant to help us do more work with our school.